Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today, let's try out to make this model inside ONSHAPE. Let's get right into it. Width is 40, length becomes 70, and the height become 30 plus distance 40, 40, 40 and 70. And I want to go for the ONSHAPE, create a new document, name it and create. Now I'll go for the sketch, choose the sketch plane, make it normal, hide the planes. Now I'll go for the center point rectangle, starting from this origin, define the smart dimension. This one becomes 70, this one becomes 40, and I will hit OK. Right click and go for isometric. Now go for extrude, select the region and define the height 40. OK. Go for the isometric view. Now what I can do, I do nothing, just I will select the side and will create this cutout. So for this, what I can do, let me just do one thing for this, and I will select this face, sketch on it and make it normal. Now we'll go for a line, something like this. And close it like this. And now we'll go for the smart dimension. This one becomes 15 and this one becomes 20, and if you look at here, so this one becomes 40. So I want to go here and define this one 40. See? And I think each and everything is defined. I want to go for the extrude, select the region, flip the direction, remove the material and select through all. See? Now this is ready. Next, what I can do is select this face, sketch on it and make it normal. Go for a circle and starting from somewhere here, go for smart dimension and define this circle diameter is 20. I will go for the isometric view. Again I will go for this and choose this region as well. Pan your object, rotate it, flip the direction and remove the material up to, if you look at this, so this is up to 20 mm. Define it 20, enter and enter. Go for the isometric view. Now I'll choose this face, go for the sketch, make it normal. And go for a corner rectangle, starting from somewhere here, like this. Go for smart dimension. And you can look at the dimensions 10 by 30. Now I want to go for this one. This one becomes 13 and this one becomes 10, and I want to hit OK. Right click, go for isometric and go for extrude and flip the direction and remove the material and select through all. Okay. Go for the isometric view. Again I will choose this face, go for sketch and make it normal, and go for a center point rectangle like this. And if you look at the dimensions, it becomes 16 by 10. 16 is the width and 10 is the depth. So for now I will go for the line to close this sketch. I want to go for the trim entities, and now I want to go for the smart dimension again. This becomes 10 and this becomes 16, and I'll hit OK. Right click and go for isometric. Again I'll go for extrude, flip the direction, through all, and remove the material. Okay, isometric. Now what you can do, you have done with the object, and that's fine for me. Thanks for watching. If you are new on my channel, so make sure to subscribe to the channel to be a part of the conversation. Thank you.